now that you've learned a little bit about how perspective works, we're going to start our project. The first thing we want to know about our project is, remember our perspective. The horizon line, the dot in the middle. The dot in the middle is the important part for this. It's the vanishing point. It's where things get smaller and smaller and smaller so you can't see them anymore on the horizon line. Now you have to think, where are two places that you don't have a horizon? A horizon is where the sky meets the land. It's the line. All right, so one place we do not have a horizon is where there's no sky, and that is under the ocean. So we have a vanishing point, things get bigger, but we're under the ocean, so we don't see any horizon in the distance. The other place is where there is no land. And where is there no land? In outer space. So you're going to choose which one of these drawings you want to do. Outer space or under the sea. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. And so we're going to start up here. I'm going to do it, and all you need is a piece of paper, small piece of paper. We don't need big paper for this. You need a pencil, you need tape, and you need a ruler, and that is it. Any kind of tape. Scotch tape will do. It's only going to hold your paper down, as you know we like to do sometimes. It's your friend. All right, so first we're going to do it up here. Then I'm going to show it to you down here also. All right, so we're going to start in, I would say, the middle of the page with a vanishing point. All right, and then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our perspective lines. We need a ruler. When I say, oh, I'm sorry, I dropped my pencil. When I say ruler, we're not measuring anything. So, I mean, some people would say a straight edge if you have something that's really, really straight that doesn't have any marks on it. Okay, now, this is the trick, guys. We have to put your pencil on the vanishing point. Don't start down here. Start here. Make your ruler go to the corner. Again, put your pencil on the vanishing point. Don't start your line down here. All right, and you will get the bottom. I'm going to go over that marker just so you can see it. You're going to do everything in pencil first. All right, you are not going to do anything in marker. I'm just doing this so we can see it on the video. All right, now top line. We're going to start there and go this way. Start here. You can see where this is going. Right? You're going to say, but it's a big X. Not really. It depends on how your paper goes, whether it makes an X or not. But we're going to start there. All right. Now, if any of you have parents that are architects or engineers or work in any of those kind of places where they draw their own plans, they might have one of these, and that's a T-square, and that's great because look what we can do. We can slide it, and every time we slide it, we're always getting a line that goes straight across. We could also put it here. We had a different pad of paper, and every line we have would go straight up and down. But we're not so fortunate. Maybe you are at your house, so you're going to have to just line up the edge of your ruler and try to make it as straight as possible. And that is also why we're going to tape it down, but we'll get to that. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put a line straight down and then halfway between the straight down line and the edge of your, what is really going to be a floor, right? Okay, so straight down and these two on the sides. Okay, got that? We haven't even gotten to the top. Don't worry about the top. All right, so you're going to go down here. Now we're going to make tiles, guys. So you're going to start here and make sure you're going straight across. Another reason, another reason why you are doing this in pencil. So you make one line, and then you make two lines. Your second line is here. A little bit closer. 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. A little bit closer. As you get towards that vanishing line, your lines will get closer. And I went 1, 2, 3, 4. I wouldn't put any more than 5. Let's not get crazy about that. Now, watch what happens when I go over these. You're going to see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. No more than 5. And that's going to make a nice, you can make it into a tile floor. You can make it different colors, a checkerboard floor. But that's basically what you're standing on and what's receding into the distance. And remember, we put these lines up here. So we're going to do that. Now check it out. This is what's going to be good. Now, those lines have to be straight this way. These lines have to be straight this way. You're going to line this up with this line in the tile, straight up and down, and it's going to go to that line up there. Got that? You could do it on the other side too. Line, it's got to be really, really straight up and down. Your ruler will probably be better than this one for what you're doing. That one's a little off. This is why you're doing it in pencil. Okay. Now, straight up and down. Get at the end of this tile. Straight up and down. Get at the end of this tile. So those are going to match. Straight up and down. Now it's easier because, you know, the ruler is long enough for it. And we have 2 more sets of lines. Straight, up and down, perpendicular to the bottom. All right, check it out. Now we're going to make our glass kind of observation tunnel. It's either, if it goes off the top, that's fine too. Okay, there's your tunnel. Is it outer space? Is it an undersea walkway? That's up to you. All right, so let's try to learn how to do that on a